So I'm spinning the wheel in a counterclockwise direction from the side that the cables enter the wheel, which would be forward. And the Hall effect sensors are firing. The LEDs are the colors of the Hall effect sensor wires. So we have the blue LED firing, and then the green, and then the yellow, with a slight overlap where two of them are firing at the same time. So that confirms that the Hall effect sensors are all firing. I don't know if that's the proper order, but they're firing. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I've reconnected the Hall effect sensor wires in the proper order, and right now we're going to take this ohm meter and we're going to make sure that all the wires are actually seated in these connectors, so that we know all the Hall effect sensors or sensor noises are getting to the controller. Okay, we have continuity there. Continuity there. And continuity there. We won't get anything if the power's not connected. Okay, let's also check the voltage of the battery pack starting this exercise. So, $53.2 volts. Okay. So
Again?
now I'm going to connect the power or phase wires, and I'm going to connect the green one to the green wire going to the controller, the blue one going to the blue wire to the controller, the yellow one going to the yellow wire to the controller. So now everything's connected the way it's supposed to be, both the Hall effect sensors and the power. Now I'm going to connect the power, the battery, to the unit, the negative and the positive, and I'm going to short the purple-black jumper pair for the phase setting sequence. I'm going to power on the unit, wait for the controller to click. We're going to goose the throttle a little bit. Backwards. Okay, there's forward quiet. Forward with some more noise. Nice backwards. Okay, that's about the best we've had forward. I think the next one is it. Okay, so now I'm going to unplug the jumper, and I'm going to goose it again. So that's what it's like with all the wires plugged in. Okay, got to turn it on first. There we go. And there it's running. Okay, we're shutting it off. I'm smelling something burning. Disconnect the yellow wire. Turn it on. Goose the throttle. Oh, I see what our problem is. Our whole dropout has dropped out. Cut.
Start again.
Yellow unplugged. All right, tire. Okay, turn the power on. It's clicked, all wires are plugged in, and the phase is set to the best phase. And that's what we got. And that rattling sound is a spoke head. There's a missing spoke head that fell down in the wheel from right here. Okay, so now I'm going to unplug the green wire and see what happens. I'm going to have to get it spinning a little bit. Okay, see the green wire is unplugged. Okay, you can get the wire. Green wire is unplugged. Okay, so now we're going to plug it all back in. And we're going to unplug the blue wire. Back on the wheel. Blue wire is unplugged. Wheel goes full tilt. Plugging the blue wire back in. And I'm unplugging the yellow wire. See, the yellow wire is unplugged. I'm turning it back on. I'm goosing the throttle. I'm pushing the wheel. And see, it's running, but it's about half the speed it was running with the blue or the green wire. Okay, we're going to plug everybody back in. And we're going to go again. Okay, so now we're unplugging blue. Okay, we're plugging blue back in. We're unplugging green. Okay, now we'll plug green back in, and we'll go with everybody. And we're unplugging yellow. And yellow runs at half speed. We're at blue. Runs at full speed. And green runs at full speed. Okay, now to show that this is the wheel and not the controller, we're going to have to remap the wires. So cut. Okay, we've remapped the wires. So the green wires from the wheel, both the Hall effect and the power, are going to the yellow controller wire. The blue wire from the wheel, the blue wires from the wheel, is mapped to the green wire, blue to green, and the yellow wires are going to the blue wires. Okay, so now once more I'm going to check this Hall effect sensor wiring. Okay, continuity for the green motor to the yellow controller. Continuity for the blue motor to the green controller. And there is yellow to blue with continuity. And jet blue overhead. No, that's okay, so we're going to re-jumper the purple and black wires to go into the phase control because we've remapped these wires, so we need to do new phase check. So we go on, clicks. Okay, so I'm going to goose it the first time, get some shaking. Okay, that's it. I'm going to unplug this. That's what we got with everybody plugged in. Okay, now I'm unplugging the green wire from the wheel to the yellow wire to the controller. And we're up to full speed. I'm plugging that back in. I'm unplugging the blue wire to the motor, which is connected to the green wire to the controller. And we get full tilt there as well. So now once again we got everybody plugged in. And we're going full tilt boogie. Now we're going to disconnect the green wire from the motor, going to the yellow wire to the controller. Give it a little push. And we got full tilt boogie. Now let's do that again with the blue wire from the motor, green wire from the control to the controller. And we got full tilt boogie. Now I'm disconnecting the yellow wire to the motor and the blue wire to the controller. Now we have half speed.